Hey guys, I'm Kate and I'm back with some more Adobe Illustrator tips and tricks in this intermediate course. I highly recommend before starting this level to begin with the introduction course that I teach to develop a basic understanding of the software. This is the same course I teach in the UK's leading Adobe training center in London. These are some of the fine-tuning skills that we will cover. We will be creating graphic styles. We will be converting objects to 3D and adding special effects to give your ideas an edge. We will be enhancing our typography to really make our work stand out. We will also be working with warping and distorting, playing with gradients, and blending to create some really cool designs. More do's and don'ts with the pen tool to really become a pen tool pro. And some stunning brushes to create a more authentic, hand-drawn, kind of decorative feel to it. I love creating seamless patterns, and these can be used for so many things like wallpaper design, wrapping paper, fashion prints, and so much more. We will also be working with the graph tool, and we will be creating graphs that can be used for presentations and reports. And finally, some more advanced type options. There are lots of files that you can download that are available with this course, so you can play along with the exercises. Are you ready to level up your Adobe Illustrator skills? So let's get started.